Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I want to talk to you about a particular issue that I feel has been affecting a lot of people, newbies, and who have been in the tech sector for quite some time too. And that particular issue is how to search for jobs on Google and how to get jobs on LinkedIn. There are some applications you need to have to help you extract emails of CEOs and as well HRs on LinkedIn and on Google. If you look down at the description, you find links to some of these applications that I believe that you need to have installed on your laptop for you to be able to extract emails of CEOs as well as HR, which you can send your CV to get employed and get high-paying jobs. Two of this particular application is Contact Out and Apollo. You see, this particular tool can help you extract emails, although there are other types that are out there, but this is the tool that I basically use. Let's get right into it. I'm going to head over to my LinkedIn account because I already have registered on LinkedIn. I've been using LinkedIn for quite a while, and I'm just going to click on LinkedIn. And yeah, this is my LinkedIn account registered here. Now, searching for LinkedIn jobs here has to do with you having keywords, using keywords. And these are the application I was talking to you about. This is Contact Out, this particular one. This is Contact Out. It's taking time to load. All right, yeah, so this is Contact Out. You can see it's an extension on my browser, and this is also Apollo. All right, so you might have to log in. I think I was already logged out, but you will have to create an account with Apollo. But yeah, before that, let me just take you through how to get a job on LinkedIn. So say you're looking for a crypto writing position, so you can just write hiring crypto. Okay, so you can just type hiring crypto writer. Now, when you go through this, you can see comments. You would see comments on people saying, "Look at this person now. Hi guys, a leading crypto company is on the hunt for a passionate crypto writer based in Nigeria." You can see what they are looking for. Can craft non-AI content approximately 1,500 words. So now, what you want to do is, take for example, you want to apply for this particular job now, and since this person didn't, he said send me a DM. Now, assuming that you didn't, this person said send me a DM. So, assuming that you have not connected with this person and you're trying to get their email, you can just click on this and your fair Fakunle, right? Okay, let's see if I can get okay, so you can come to Contact Out. Once you have this his own page opened on your LinkedIn profile, you can come over to Contact Out and allow Contact Out do the trick. So you can see view email. So this is this person's email. So you can copy this email and go to your Gmail and type application, type your application to this person, or tell him about your interest for that particular job, and you would probably want maybe for him to refer you or tell you more about this particular role. Let me show you another one. Okay, so see this one now. This one is 2 weeks ago. He said we are hiring a crypto research writer to join our content team. He said it's remote, full-time, $150 per month. Well, that's okay, manageable. Send your resume to. He already gave an email to send your resume to, and also said you should copy this person, copy these people. But let's assume that this email is not here, but you want to get the email of this person, this particular person. So you can just click on this, and once you are here, sorry, okay, yeah, so once you are here, the next thing you want to do is click on contact us. So let contact us do the trick, and yeah, this is the email, this person's email. Now this contact us to give you email of probably anybody that have signed up on LinkedIn. Okay, it might not be all the time, but yeah, it will always give you email of people. So one thing that I think you should also do is you can copy this email and also copy the email of this company, the email where you're supposed to send your resume and CV to, and send an email to them, pitch them, tell them that you have an interest, send your portfolio, your CV, and expect the best. So basically, that is how to search for jobs on LinkedIn. So if you look at these hiring crypto writers, you see posts. So these are posts on people that are posted on hiring crypto writers. This is not basically on crypto writing. It could be anything. It could be about hiring content writers. It could be hiring digital managers. Anything, that particular skill that you have, just put hiring in front of it, and put hiring at the back of it, and the one in front should be the job that you are searching for, and it will bring right up a lot of people that are hiring for that particular job. Okay, so once you do that, then you can see, so like I said, you see posts, you see people. These people now are specific people that are currently hiring. You can see I'm hiring for various roles, this particular person in that particular field. Okay, you see a lot of people hiring in this particular sector. Now if you move away from people, you will see jobs. Now if you click on jobs, these are content writer. These are people that are hiring for content writing currently. If you move away from jobs and go to companies now, so you will see a lot of companies or crypto companies, tech companies are currently hiring in that particular area. So you can click on that company, and you get emails of people there. So let me give you an example of something. Say I want to work with this Block 21 recruitment now in London. Once I get to the home, I want to go to about. This about to tell me about, this about to give me every information, this about to give me every information I need, about the company, everything here, like the website, how many people are working in the company, when it was founded, specialties of that particular company. So if I want to pitch them, even if they are not hiring currently, so where you want to go to is go to people. So when you go to people, there are two people here, right? So when you go to people, the next thing you want to do is click on the CEO's profile or the HR's profile. So what we have here is the co-founder. So click on the co-founder, and you can connect with the person. Let me just connect with this person. So send without any notes. So once you can connect with this person if need be, but if not, just click on contact out to see if you can get the person's email. Oh yeah, so see, this is the person's email. So you can copy this email now and send and pitch the person, this particular person, about your interest in a job, telling them that, oh, you've been following their company for a while, you notice that their company did this and that, and this is your own skill. So that is that on LinkedIn. So let's head over to Google and see what we can do. So Google, www.google.com, right? All right. Um, Google.com. All right, so yeah, so what you want to do here is, let me start with crypto writing. To say hiring crypto writer. Now put plus company. Now, when you add company there, you're being specific. Like I said, there you need specificity when you're searching for this job. Okay, so when you add company there, now this company will give you list of it will first of all bring you list of hiring platforms where you can search for this. Can search for where many of these companies are posted. They are listed their jobs, okay, and hoping to get to hire someone, and you could be the person. So now you will see like crypto job list, LinkedIn, Indeed, LinkedIn, crypto jobs, Zip Recruiter, many of them. Now you see Web3 jobs, you see well found, Zai Crypto. Now look at this person, look at this one. Now this Zai Crypto says hiring cryptocurrency and blockchain writers. So let me click here and see what comes up. So what's wrong with MTN? Okay, let me check number two. See, okay, all right. Now look at this. We have crypto jobs. Now, if you scroll down, okay, yeah, see. Now look at this one saying crypto content writer apply for gigs. Now, if you click on this, see position crypto writer description apply now. Okay, so you can apply for this job if you're a freelancer. They even give their working hours 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. NGT. So if you are interested in this job, you can use this. Now, I also want to teach you something. Say you're looking for, okay, let me change it from crypto right now. Say hiring data analysts plus company. Now you can see a lot, seems you can see where these jobs are being listed. Now if you click on this one, say I click on Glassdoor, I want to look at the companies that are hiring. So I want to tell you how you can apply for these jobs and get good reply. Now if you look at this, you will see all these ones are Lagos. Let me change this to United States. Okay, so you see remote data entry operator. This one is in Salt Lake City in UK. You can see this Seneca Falls, New York. Now, what you want to concern yourself with is the name of the organization that is, that listed this particular job. So this one is Sullivan Solutions Inc. Now, you want to go to LinkedIn and search for Sullivan Solutions. It's Inc. Okay. Solutions Inc. Okay. Oh, the company is not here. So what I'm trying to do is look for the name of this organization on LinkedIn so that I can, so I can find the email of the HR that is currently, employing for that role. Let's look for another one. L&T Technology Service. Okay. L and T. Okay, yeah. So we have L&T Technology Service. Now, this L&T Technology Service, now you want to, let me see if they are the same. Okay, yeah, they are the same. Probably another brand. So you click on this. Once you click on this, like I said, the first thing you want to do is read about the about of the company, what they're about, their overview, what they do. Now you want to go to people. So once you get to people, you want to look for, take for, the CEO and the HR. So let's look for the CEO and HR here. Okay, so I can't find the CEO and HR, but I found this particular person who is the marketing operations specialist. Now, this marketing specialist and this tech lead. These are the people you can consult. So like I said, you click on them and you click on contact out. So contact out will give you the email of this particular person. Then you can pitch them and tell them that, oh, you saw their job listed on Google or on Glassdoor and you are a viable candidate, and you tell them why you are a viable candidate, and you send them your CV, and that is it. Please understand that in a day you should be able to, if you follow this strategy, you should be able to pitch at least 5 individuals, your 5 HR, 5 CEOs daily. At least when you pitch 5 daily, that means that by Monday to Wednesday, say you start on Monday to Wednesday, you already have 15. Within that 15, at least 3 will reply you or 4 will reply you, and you can by then choose which one you think is favorable to you depending on their salary structure, and there you have it. So basically, this is what I do and this is how I do it. Okay, this is how I've been able to land high paying gig, and I hope that you can also use this particular strategy for yourself, and I really do hope that it works for you. I'm confident it will work for you. So if this video really helped you, please kindly like, subscribe and share.